Hey guys, welcome to Bilbo Tech. I'm Bala here with a fresh new episode. So in this video, we'll be seeing, a very, wired topic. It's not a wired topic. It's the latest trend, and in Twitter and XDA forums, we have been seeing this AIM issue for a long time. That's for the past 1 week. That is, OnePlus 8 Pro has an X-ray camera. What? You ask me, like, X-ray camera? Yes, they say it's X-ray camera, but that's not an X-ray camera. It's just a color filter camera. It just have a 5 MP thing. It's like, they made some tweaks and they just, made it a quad camera. So regarding the same, we'll look into the same video and I'll be there with you. So without any further time, let's get straight into the video. So guys, OnePlus 8 Pro was launched in US market before a month, and after that itself the next day of launch in US, they launched in India also. So OnePlus 8 Pro has two different variants, that is 6GB of RAM plus 128GB of internal memory, that has a pricing of 54,999, and it has another variant of 59,999 which has a 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal memory. It has Onyx Blue and Glacier Green and Ultramarine Blue. So these are the three different colors of OnePlus 8 Pro. And coming to the main issue, before getting to the issue, let's say why this issue is coming in OnePlus 8 Pro. This is not an issue. This is an extra tweaking feature that OnePlus gave to us, and a lot of people are spreading rumors on the same. So the OnePlus 8 Pro is having quad camera setup. You can see the picture over here. So the quad camera setup has normal all the sensors like macro, depth and the stuff. So removing the macro or the depth sensor, they are replaced with a 5 megapixel color filter camera. So what this color filter camera gives an opportunity to give a different effects like grayscale, monochrome. So that is where this particular color filter issue is there. That's what XDA forums and the other blogs are speaking about. So what they say is like it's an X-ray camera, but this is not an X-ray camera, guys. So what it does is that it's like IR based camera, that's infrared camera. So let's take you're having an AirPod, or at least you're having a remote of a TV or an AC or anything. So let's say there'll be an IR blasting out of the sensor. You can capture this, or you can see with this OnePlus 8 Pro camera. But many people just spread the rumors that you can see through a fabric or a cloth, but that is like literally I can say it's like zero of worth what they say. It's not like such things also. So OnePlus has answered for the same, and they have said that there have been a lot of rumors spreading in Chinese market, so they'll be removing this feature temporarily in China, but all the users across the globe will be continuing to use this particular feature. But their international operation team has said that we'll think about this in the upcoming OTA update. But let's see how these things goes. But everything else was totally perfect. In Mi 10 that is recently launched for 50K, even that has just like a depth sensor, but OnePlus has just really thinked and they have done like a lot of experiments. I guess that's how they got into the color filter, because we've been seeing a lot of budget and mid-range and high-range flagship phones on the market, but they haven't been like such a tweaking feature. But let's see what OnePlus does about the same color filter camera. If you have any opinions on the same color filter camera, do comment it down and let me know what are the your opinions. So if you want any other video related to the same or the second part of this, let me know. We'll just make it and we'll just give to you. You can make use of the same. So guys, that's it for this video. Before getting into the end of the video, do subscribe Bilbo Tech and click the bell icon so you don't miss any latest updates from Bilbo Tech. So that's it, guys. Do like this video. So don't forget to subscribe again and click the notification. This is Bala signing out. I'll see you in the next one.